For science today, I just want you to think about the videos that we watched this week in our live lesson that we did together, and I want you to think about something new that you have learned about sounds. So you're going to write in your notebook or on a piece of paper a sentence about something new that you have learned about sound. So you can start your sentence by saying, I learned that, and you're going to fill in the blank. Maybe you learned that sound is caused by vibrations. Maybe you learned how to make a string phone. Maybe you learned that when you put your hand on your throat, you can feel the vibrations that make the sound coming out of your mouth. So I want you guys to think about something that you learned about sound from the videos this week and from our live lesson, or something that just kind of reflect on something we've done for science this week, and write a sentence about what you learned or what we did, and upload a picture of your work. Remember just to try to sound out your words or ask someone for help, but just do your best to sound it out. It does not have to be a perfectly spelled sentence.